Let's go on here and today we are live and we're playing Minecraft again, which I do have, I think I should. Yeah, I do have, I don't think it hasn't gone out to lava, I guess. Okay, so today we are playing Minecraft. And, oh gosh, I did not even know how there's so much in time. Oh, I just placed one down by myself. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to make your very own washing machine. Let me get Will. Get Will. You get it. Let me check. We got my own one. Let's these and that and those boots. Tiny boots. Oh, so now I got my clothes, guys. So now what you want to do is build a wall. So like this. You do it the same way with the drive. Okay guys? Do I have a yelp? Okay, now you place this. No. You place one like that. Then you want to place a hopper like that on it. So now you guys see the little tube going into that. It will still be there when you break that, as you see. And then you'll place down the dispenser. And then you'll place down a button, and that's how it works. Excuse me, horsey. And then 3, 2, 1, watch. And then look. There we go. There we go. So that's how you make a washing machine. That's one of our buildings now. Oh gosh. I do not want to tell you how that happened, but let's just get back to something else. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need, I do. I want to yo-yo. Guys, if you don't know what TNT is, my version right now, for some reason I don't have a mod, but for some reason in my worlds, all of them is, I'll show you what the TNT looks like. God. So this is the TNT on your button. Oops. Wrong TNT. Sorry, Mr. TNT. I need this TNT. Now I need wait, go button. 3, 2, 1. There. Okay, and guys, this is how she looks like in Minecraft. In my version for some reason. I don't know why. It used to look normal, but now it's all weird. Then blows that side up. So And as you see, the ocean looks wildering. What is this? Okay, it's just weird. I guess I'll go to the ocean. Please tell me I'll make it. Yes, I made it. Guys, I'm gonna go in the ocean on survival and see if I survive. Okay? I feel like I might not, but I might. Oh, this is gonna be so hard. Might die 1,000 times. Hello? I feel like it's gonna keep game mode though. Sorry guys, but I have to go into the computer mission slash. I typed in slash. Ooh, slash game mode is yeah. Okay, now I'm in game mode zero. Now I'm gonna go slash so I could go this slash and then go to well fine, there we go. Okay, start up. Hey guys. Oh god. Oh OMG, I made it! This is so quick. But it does take a long time. What is now is the time to put on my stuff, guys. Now's the time. Boots, Shannon, chest plate. Actually, I don't like these at all. Well, wanna be safe, I have them. Hello? Where's the water gone? Takes me away from mine. But don't I need... Guys, I have to go up to the surface. Oh gosh, I have to stop this one. Oh, is this cool? Otherwise, I am not breaking my hand again. So, get me out here, you water. Not, guys, never go in somewhere where there's water. Because it wants to haunt you. So you can never get past something again. Come on. Ah. Ha, ha. There we go. And now let's get some wood. But how do I get out? I guess I'll have to. There we go. I'm safe. But not. No. Let's put me back down here. Mean water. There we go. Good thing I got some loot. Right, guys? Right? Guys? Guys? Hello? Wow. Oh gosh. Oh no. Yeah. Oh man. Oh gosh, I have to popcorn. I just failed it. Oh gosh, I'm never gonna make this. Guess I'll make do that. Okay. Hey, time for parkour, guys. How did I touch the water? I didn't even touch the water. How did I touch it? That's so weird. I have to just remember. I think I'll get my ice boots on. The ice boots, so that way I could walk on water. Oh, man, this is so much better than swimming, guys. How do I got 11 experience? Guys, I think we might have to wait for this to grow. Wow, that was just, guess I mean survival. Oops, how did I punch that guy completely with my fist? Hey guys, we're creating a new way. Okay? It's peaceful. No animals. Well, yes, animals, but no mobs. Guys, if you wanna be my friend, there's no there's no school today. No, but I'm talking about tomorrow. Okay. I can send you one of those sandwiches. So guys, we are now in Minecraft and that wow. This is my lucky day. Woo! Ooh, where it, ooh, where? Oop, this was not what I wanted. You can't. Oh, okay. I don't want you. I don't want to. I hit X. No sense. But I want you, miss. Thank you. And then I'm under a tree right now. This is seriously could be painful. Time to craft a crafting table, guys. How do I craft a crafting table? How do I forgot how to craft well things crafting table and woo. I actually crafted a crafting table, guys. Wow. I forgot how to craft sticks. How to craft sticks? How? I think I know, but I don't have to wait. Supply.